the ground. C is for cat, purring so sweet, tapping her paws on the beat. D is for dog, wagging his tail, chasing a leaf in the gale. E is for elephant, big and gray, spraying water while he plays. F is for fox, clever and bright, dancing under the disco light. G is for giraffe, reach in the sky, waving hello to the birds flying by. H is for hippo, happy and wide, going down on a slippery slide.
I is for iguana, green and cool, dancing by the swimming pool.
J is for jellyfish, wiggle and wobble, blowing bubbles, bubble, bubble. K is for kangaroo, hop, 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 he keeps moving, he won't stop. L is for lion, king of the land, leading the marching animal band. M is for monkey, silly and fun, eating a banana in the sun. N is for newt, tiny and small, climbing up the garden wall. O is for owl, eyes open wide, hooting loud from the other side. P is for panda, black and white, hugging bamboo excessively tight. Q is for quokka, smiling at you, the happiest animal in the zoo.
R is for rabbit, ears so long, bouncing along to the happy song.
S is for sheep, fluffy as a cloud,